Good morning, student. Today we see about ethnobotany. Ethnobotany is the study of regions, plants, and their practical uses through the traditional knowledge of local culture of people. The term ethnobotany was coined by J.W. Horsberger in 1895 to include the study of plants used by primitive and aboriginal people. Though this discipline has existed for ages, ethnobotany emerged as a distinct academic branch of natural science in 20th century. Okay, it is a branch of natural science. Ethnobotany is a branch of natural science. Who coined the term? J.W. Horsberger. Then, what are the uses of plants? Okay, we know it from this ethnobotany. Okay, the next is aspects of ethnobotany. Ethnobotany has relevance with problems of nutrition. If it is any other problem in nutrition or health care, then life support system in our body systems are affected. Then faith in plants. Okay, beliefs in plants. Okay, then cottage industries, economic upliftment, that means to develop or improve or raises the economics and conservation of biodiversity and sustainable use of plant resources. Okay, then next is importance of ethnobotany. It provides traditional uses of plants. Okay, it gives what? Traditional uses of plants. What are the uses of plants? Okay, then we know it. Then it is gives information about certain unknown and known useful plants. We know it what? Information about unknown and known plants we useful. Okay, then ethnomedicinal data. Then the ethnomedicinal data will serve as the useful sources of information for the chemists, pharmacologists, and practitioners of herbal medicines. Okay, understand, pharmacologist means nothing but to prepare or preparing the medicines. Okay, understand. Then tribal communities utilize ethnomedicinal plant parts like bark, stem, roots, leaves, flower bud, flowers, fruits, seeds, oils, resins, dyes, gum for the treatment, gum. Okay, for treatment of diseases like diarrhea, fever, headache, diabetes, jaundice, snakebite, leprosy, etc. Okay, the tribal peoples they are knowing to how the useful of plant parts. Okay, what are the disease will cure, they known very well. Okay, then next is astrobiology or exobiology. Are we alone in the universe? No. If your answer is no, then how do you deduct the existence of life in space? Okay, how the organisms living in the area. Okay, that is we knowing from astrobiology. Okay, or exobiology. Okay, astrobiology is the science which looks for the presence of extraterrestrial life in the universe. Okay, what are the life organisms living in the universe? We know it from the astrobiology. Then astrobiology deals with the origin, evolution, distribution of life in the universe and investigate the possibilities of life in other world, that is other planets. Okay, then the major concept in astrobiology is the habitable zone. Habitable means the organisms are living that area. Then the theory explains that any planets can support the existence of life if it fulfills two important criteria. Two important factors needed. Okay, understand? If any other planets, okay, are like Mars or Saturn like that, the organisms they need to survive. The two important criteria is necessary. What are they? Now let us see. It must have a right mass to retain a atmosphere, to maintain the proper atmosphere, to maintain for right mass. Okay, then only the organisms survive. Then it must have an orbit at just the right distance from its star. Proper distance is necessary in the orbit. Solar system, the planets are rotating. Okay, that it allows liquid water to exist, that is present. Okay, proper distance maintained. What happened? There is some of the water is there. Okay, the distance needed to be neither too hot or not too cold, and is often referred as Goldilocks zone for life. That is, if it is the place is suitable for life, that is called Goldilocks zone. Okay, then in our solar system, Earth is only planet in Goldilocks zone. Okay, in solar system, in our Earth, that is a planet, that is only the what Goldilocks zone, because that area in Earth is the organisms are living. So we can say it what a Goldilocks zone. Since this zone varies at times, okay, sometimes it is varies. Such occasion, what happen? The stars evolves or appear. We know that Mars have also been habitable. Okay, in Mars, organisms are living. That is habitable. Okay, the life on Mars are likely to be the creature we find in extreme environments on Earth. Some of the organisms, minute organisms, are living in the Mars also. Okay, the organisms which live in extreme environmental conditions on Earth are called extremophiles. Okay, what is called? Living extreme environmental condition. That means extreme means very high or greatest level of environment conditions, or suppose it is very hot, very cold, like that such situation, some of the organisms also can live. Okay, that is called extremophiles. Thus, within our own solar system, there are many areas that are different from Earth. Okay, in our solar system, in Earth, there are different areas are there where it is probable to find the presence of life. Okay, that area probable means possibilities. Okay, presence in life. Similar to extremophile bacteria also living. Okay, such condition they can tolerate. Okay, that tolerate the such places. We will see the picture. We see in this picture, it is microbial diversity from sandstone and granite from the McMurdo Dry Valley in Antarctica. Okay, in this area, the minute organisms are found here. Okay, this is called extremophile areas. Okay, extremophiles. Okay, understand? Okay, do you understand, student? Okay, thank you.